Oh well, it's November, and
Yeah.
a lot of people would be thinking of packing up for the winter, wouldn't they? And not finishing their sowing. But we've got some lighting
I
units
say,
here.
that's an impressive piece of kit there, Steve.
This is, isn't it?
Mind you.
3 of us to carry
Space
this
age,
in.
that.
Yeah. I've had it for a while, so it's probably getting a little bit outdated, I suppose, now. But basically, what I've got here, and I use this in the spring when I'm sowing my tomatoes, and again in the autumn to do some late salads and things. And it's a big reflector, as you can see.
Stacks of light there, isn't there?
Hang this about 18 inches over a little heated bed, little sand bench I've got.
So you've got the heat coming up from the bench.
That's it, yeah.
And has it got any heating in the actual
no heating
hood itself?
In the thing, but
what does this do then?
These put off a lot of quite a bit of heat.
Yeah.
So it's got a little built-in fan there to take some of the heat away, just in case it gets a little bit too hot.
Yeah.
But actually, I find the heat that they give off can be a bit of an advantage at sometimes, because it just gives tomatoes especially gives them a little bit of a boost. And these give off this fluorescent lights. They give off a sort of bluey light. It doesn't look blue, it just looks white, but apparently it's a lot of blue light in it, and that's good for seedling growth and keeps them stocky instead of tomatoes.
Instead of shooting up.
So it does keep them nice.
So you could probably get a lot of seedlings out of that cover.
Yeah.
Because it's quite big, isn't it?
Yeah. I mean, you can pack it with trays, and the light comes out quite a bit further.
So you can put some slightly around it, can you?
Put them around it as well.
Yeah.
But when these go, I'm going to update it and get some LED lights. I think they're all the rage at the moment.
Right, okay.
And they're really clever. They use a lot less power, and you get they sort of tend to come in a square, a grid, and you can have even sort of different colour bulbs to make up a spectrum for whatever you want to do. So if you want early in the year to grow your seedlings, or later on if you want more of a ready sort of light, encourage them to grow and flower and fruit, then you can actually change the light that they give out.
And am I right in thinking these don't take up that much electricity? Because that's always
I think
fear, isn't it? If you put one of these on for a long time.
Well, this is this would be more expensive than the new LEDs, because these are 125 watts each, which still isn't massive, I suppose. But if they would have to be on for, I often leave them on for sort of 8 hours a day if it's early spring.
Yeah.
So I suppose it does build up.
So you've had no massive hike in your electric bills. That's
I haven't noticed. No.
And they just screw in, I suppose.
They just screw in.
Lovely.
Yeah. It's great big. Real easy.
Super.
Yeah.
And
I put them on a timer, so just a simple timer.
Which you bought separately,
Bought separately and plugs into that. And
quite light, actually, isn't it?
It's not too bad, is it? Yeah.
Okay.
A couple of switches on it, so you can either have the fan on or not, really.
Yeah.
But really good for raising your seedlings, especially in the spring.
Yeah.
But you've got a different sort of...
Well, mine's a lot simpler. As you can see, it's got a tray here for seeds and seedlings. I mean, I tend to start off my chilies and tomatoes on this. Probably get about 4 or 5 little trays.
Yeah.
And in fact, you can grow loads of chilies and tomatoes.
People would need, isn't it?
No problem. And it's just got kind of one fluorescent light up there.
Oh yeah.
And it's got the little mat to soak up the water when you water it.
Yeah.
And the good thing is you can actually adjust the top. You just unscrew these, and this can come down if you want to increase the light nearer to the ceiling. So that's very light to carry about. You can put that in your kitchen, and Bob's your uncle. You've got loads of seedlings coming up earlier on than usual. And as you say, with the light, you need warmth, but with the light you don't get your sort of seedlings shooting up into straggly things. And plug it in, and simple switch like that.
Oh wow.
And it's a neat, small but neat, handy piece of kit.
And I suppose
which I use every year.
Unlike this one, you could use that indoors right through the winter to grow a few salads.
You could do some salad leaves, which I've done. Microgreens, brilliant.
Yes, there's something.
So different models on the market, depends really on what you want. But either the large, extensive one like yours, or something a bit more modest like this.
Yeah. But well worth worth investing in, and really does extend your season, doesn't it? Good month either way.
Yeah, because things like chilies, you do want to get them going in sort of February, don't you? March.
Yeah.
And if you leave it too late,
possible.
the end of the season, you haven't got enough time for them to ripen. So
No, that's it. Yeah, so well worth the investment.